Hey guys, this is the 328 XI 2009. This car had a little accident and the car won't start. What you gotta do to get this car back in starting position, you gotta go to the battery compartment, remove these things out, check it if there's anything wrong. But the main thing is on this side here, because did you see the little hole in there? I can hold it. See that little hole in there? That little hole goes this cable in there like this. This cable goes like that. Like that. When it get into the accident, this cable, it sends power to backup. So he disconnected the whole thing in front of it. So the car won't start it. So you have to take it out and put it back, and the car will start right up. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.